Hi physics class, another short topic today. It's called efficiency. It's a ratio of output energy or power over input energy or power. So you can either do power output over power input or energy output over energy input. You can't mix them, but you'll choose whichever one is applicable to the question you're doing. So efficiency is just a number, there's no units. It's between 0 and 1, or if you like percentages better, it's between 0% and 100%. Let me just show you a type of question you might be asked. So I got a crane. Its engine is operating at 30 kilowatts. It lifts a mass of 2,000 kilograms up 100 meters in 2 minutes. We're going to determine its efficiency. So a couple things. Minutes are no good. We want those into seconds. That's easy. Kilograms are good. Meters are good. This is kilowatts, so just be aware that's going to be 30,000 watts. All right. Or maybe you find that the power output is in thousands of watts. You can change it to kilowatts. We'll see how it goes. So let's find out what kind of energy is being generated here. The crane is lifting something, so that's going to be potential energy. All right. We got a time, so we're going to be able to find out the power output here. So let's get some space and get going on that. So the power is going to be the energy over time. I think we wrote it like this. Okay, the energy was potential. I remember that the time was 120 seconds. Okay, so the mass, 2,000 kilograms, height, 100 meters. So when I do this, I get 16,350, and that's going to be watts. Okay. So this is the power output. The power input was given in the question. That was 30 kilowatts. Now here's the deal. I know it's not always obvious which one's the output and the input. The output's what you get out of the thing. The input is what the engine provided in this case. If you're totally confused, you can't get it wrong. The output is always less than the input. So this, is 16.35 kilowatts. It has to be the output because it's less than the input. Okay? No exceptions on that. So our efficiency is going to be power output over power input. We can either keep them both kilowatts or have them both watts. It's up to us. I did the trouble of putting that into kilowatts, so let's just do it this way. Okay, so when I do this, I get 0.545. Okay, there are no units. We're done. That looks good. And that's a fairly typical answer. You're not going to get anything close to 100% efficiency, especially when you're dealing with motors, things burning fuel.